Okay, if we start this provisioning wizard, or if we just reboot, when you reboot, you'll get, until the provisioning is complete, you'll get this reminder about to log in and do the provisioning. So I'm going to go over a couple of things here. The first part is custom provisioning. So this is what we'll focus on in this section right here, is doing the custom provisioning with the with DSfW. So this allows you to go in and add additional partitions to your domain. So if we log in, assuming this gets us logged in, we'll look in and we'll see the partitions that we can add to this domain. Let me so right here. So as you can see, we have B, C, D, and E. Anyway, it looks like it pulls. D got created after E somehow, so the timestamp is off. Looks like it resolves by or sorts it by timestamp. So that's why it's down a little bit lower. But anyway, if these are the partitions that you can add to your domain. As you can see, A is not listed here. That is because it is not partitioned. Let's quick review. As far as iManager goes, let's look in iManager and see what we have for our domain. So we have the O equals Novell. We have A, B, C, D, E. DNS is not partitioned. This is not partitioned. Therefore, they do not show up. So what I want to do is I want to put B and C, or let's just put B. We'll just add B to the domain. So we'll keep all these other partitions out of the domain. So when I go to do that, I need to have a replica of B on this server. We don't need to have a replica of Novell yet. It will get added in due time, but until then, but B we will have to if we want to do it at this time, or if we want to set up B to be part of the domain at this time. So what will happen if I click B is I will get this error. Replica of selected partition is not present on the local server. Add a read-write or master replica of the selected partition. Gives you a little notice what you need to do. So what we're going to do, come in here, we'll select B, we'll say our action, and we're going to add view replica ring, sorry, not create a partition or merge, but view the replica ring. So here we go, we have our replica ring. If we click add, let me pull this in here, add, and we'll select our server, and our DSfW server will be located in this OES systems object. It has to be there. That's you cannot move it. So just some of note, that's where your DSfW server will be. If you did not know that, it's the OES system. So we'll select that, say OK, and it will add a read-write on this server. Do a refresh here. In just a few minutes, it should be on. Doesn't take too long. There we go. It's on. Alright, depending on how big your replica is, you might take a little longer. You can do a DS trace with plus with the backlink BL and K to see the objects actually come in and turning from an external reference to a real object on the box. So now we have the replica of B added to the server. Let's go ahead, bring back our provisioning wizard, select B. See, did not give us the error. Do a little quick refresh, make sure it's okay. Say next, and we're able to move on to our provisioning wizard. So custom provisioning, that's all there is to it. If you want to custom provisioning, is specifically for adding other partitions into the domain. Thanks for watching. We'll continue on with the next video shortly.